Hi, today I'm going to show you the differences between two acoustic vehicle alerting systems, Hella and THOR AVAS. We will compare the systems on several parameters. The first one is the dimensions of the speakers. Hella is 4.5 cm, THOR is 8 cm. The total cost of the entire components base of Hella is around $12–15. THOR AVAS is much more complex system, and as a result the price is around $50–60. You have to take into consideration that Hella has only one sound and the frequency range is from 160 Hz to 5 kHz. The output power is 5 watts. The THOR AVAS system is distinguished by the number of sound samples. There are 50 plus of them in our library. The output power of THOR AVAS is 15 watts, and the frequency range is from 160 Hz to 11 kHz, what gives you much more realistic sound. Let's listen.